those who watch my videos may know that I have a thing for four-bladed industrials, and especially four curved-bladed industrials, which are all but non-existent in the U.S. But they seem to be very popular in Canada, which is where I got this one from. This is a Four Seasons Venair. We'd say Venair on there. People have been calling them, distributed. Four Seasons is the line of fans, and Venair is the distributor in Montreal.
As they say, 4 Saisons.
I don't know enough French to get Andy's joke. I'm sure it was funny.
That's 4 seasons in French.
Oh, okay. Well, he's more showing off than being funny. Definitely, it's clearly the same OEM as that unknown thing that I had. I wish I had that here. It's at the museum. I just didn't have a chance to install it yet. Because I wanted to look at it and see what was supposed to go in the center. I don't remember. I have to look at the video of that and see, is this missing something in the center? There's a wire here for if you were to install a light. And beyond that, I can't tell if anything's missing or if this is just how it is, and if you remove the wire, then that's just how it's supposed to look. But yeah, I've definitely been wanting some of these little Canadian four-blade things. So we got the full crew here. We got his metalness.
Yeah.
You not gonna do a metal symbol for the people?
Oh, of
there
course.
you go. Yeah. And Andy, who is slightly less metal.
Just slightly, though.
Just slightly, though. Metal Pete, he's itching to do the controls. I can tell just by looking at his eager little face there. So we'll let him do the controls. I forgot for a second and was getting ready to do them.
Okay,
and,
we're going to start with high, just to get the current rating.
Okay, 0 to high.
It's right now at 0.73.
Did you happen to catch if it went higher than 0.73 at all?
I did. Up 0.74, 73. It really did not go higher.
Okay, well some fans don't. I'm going to steal a paper towel roll.
Okay, it's dropped to 0.72,
okay.
So barely a hundredth of an amp.
Let's see if I can do the famous camera stand here. It's really hard to gauge, but I think that looks pretty good. And as much directly under them. So that's very impressive for directly under the fan.
Oh yeah.
I can't go exactly to the place I normally go because Andy's blocking the way, but I can go slightly to the right, and wow! It does pretty good out here, too. This is a powerful little fan.
Oh, yeah.
You feel that, Metal Pete?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's more than some 52-inch fans, for sure.
Yeah. Wonder if it's more than a gold line, or...
No, it's not. Well, more than a 36-inch gold line, yes. Yeah. More than a 56-inch gold line, no.
Probably.
And I have not yet tested a 48-inch gold line, which apparently they made years ago.
Oh, yeah.
They don't sell them anymore. One thing to note on this is that motor is much heavier than even other cast iron motors of a similar size. And it's about as heavy as the motor of most 56-inch cast iron industrials. I was really surprised when I picked it up. Like, the 36-inch cast iron gold line motor appears to be about the same size, but is not nearly as heavy. So it's a very dense motor. You can go ahead and spin it down. Do you have any observations? I saw you go to the vantage point, Andy.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
I was feeling air over there, and
yeah. I would put it in the stairwell if it was brown, but it is not brown. Where do I have a 36-inch white fan installed? Anywhere? Oh, parents' basement. I could switch it out with the gold line that's down there.
Oh, yeah, 36-inch gold line?
You've never been to my parents' house?
No, I have not.
One of these days, see, the thing is they don't like me doing fan stuff over there after like 4 p.m. because my mom teaches piano lessons out of the house in the evenings.
Okay.
So you just have to come on a day here before 4 p.m.
Hmm.
And I don't know when that would be, but yeah, you're more than welcome to come over. I got tons of fan stuff there. So let's rock the box.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There it goes. A little bit on 4. Bearings did seem a little bit stiff, so I'm not surprised.
It's a good installer set.
It looks like it's gonna go. Let's leave it there. You know, I like to let it do a few rotations on whatever the slowest speed is.
Yep, and it's at 0.19.
So I would actually, if I were to swap it out with the gold line at my parents' house, I would have to remove the custom speed control that I built for it because I built that fan with a custom speed control because it needed much lower capacitor values than any other fan. And this uses I bet you this would work fine on a 5, 10, 15 control. Let's find out. So there's 4.
You know what's 5?
5.23.
Yep. 6.
We let it sit on 5 a little longer than that. You know, I like the slow speeds. You know, that's my thing.
Okay.
So just the
Cool.
5. Drop it back to 3. I want to see if it stops when you take it to 3. It's going to probably take a minute because I wasn't watching it spin down. I must have had a quick spin down.
It did. Well, it's a small fan.
It is a small fan. It's aluminum blades, I believe. So
yeah, they felt like aluminum.
Yeah, I didn't.
Is it gonna stop?
And the bearings might still be a little tight.
They do seem to be rather stiff.
Yet it's.
I can't tell. I'm gonna give it a second. You know, it's gonna stop. I'm pretty sure. My money's on it's gonna stop. But
I think it is. I'm.
Nobody wants to take that money. Nobody wants to take that bet. Ah,
I already
okay.
knew.
Okay, I lost my chance.
Let me think.
You can jump to 5 or 6.
Okay, we'll do 5 or 6
6.
at 0.27.
Okay.
So I think a 5 would work on this.
Yeah, I think a 5. Let's see how it does on 10 and 15. I'm wondering
Okay.
how 15 is gonna rock it. But
All right, so 7 at 0.31, 8, 0.34, 9, 0.38, now 10.
so let's leave it on 10 for a little
0.41.
bit. I want to see how it's gonna behave on a 5, 10, 15.
That's a 4-speed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just thinking 5, 10, 15.
5 is the low, 10 is the medium, 15 is the medium high, and then the direct short is high. So that's a little fast for a a medium low. What would be the other ones? There's a 6. I've got lots of 6, 10, 4, of 6, 8, 14s, I think. So put it on 8 for a second. Let's see how it does on 8. And then what's an Emerson control? 4, 7, 11. But I don't really have any spare Emerson controls. I only have 1. I guess I could use my 1. Yeah, that 8 seems a little bit more like a medium low. Go back to 7 for a second. That almost seems like that's going to be too slow for a medium low. It would work though. It's not bad. Seems like there's a tight range of speeds between 5 and 10 before it gets to be fast. Okay. So take us to 11 or wherever you're going next. 11's about the same as 10 anyways.
Perfect spot for a Spinal Tap joke there.
Yeah.
That's
we
true.
did that at Fanimation during the box fans.
That's true.
I think it was that one little Lakewood, that blue desk fan that I could only go to 11 with it.
Yeah.
Remember? Because
where were you with the Spinal Tap jokes then, Andy? You were not ready.
it was Reese's dad, I think, that made that one.
That seems like his kind of joke too.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love Spinal Tap? So 12 is
Please go to
0.42.
11.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here, let's do 13.45.
I have a shirt. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's got a picture of a volume knob, and the volume knob goes from 1 to 11, and it's set to 11.
Uh-huh.
And I don't remember if there's a quote or anything underneath it, or if it's just a picture.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here's 14.47. Let's do 15 just to see.
Yeah.
0.49.
Did you see the shirt that Reese was wearing the first night?
No, if I did, I don't remember.
Yeah, my mom noticed it in the video. It said, I finally saved enough money for a shirt with a picture of a car on it.
That's cute. I did not see that. Do me a favor. I want to see the difference between 15 and high. So just take the high real quick. There is a significant difference. So I think a 5, 10, 15 actually would be okay. So go ahead and take us back to 15 and go through the rest of the cycle. So okay, if I do decide to switch out with this with my mini gold line, then I can lose my train of thought and it'd be fine.
Yeah, that would work.
Yeah.
Okay. Now 16 is 0.51.
All right, we're going to go
17
handheld
is
here.
0.52,
Assuming the tripod will let me
18,
detach. There we go.
0.54, 19, 0.55. Okay. Now 20, 0.56. So I still got quite a ways to go.
Yep.
21. Yep. 0.57, 22, 0.58, 23, 59, 24, 0.6, 25. I'm at 25.61. I can still keep going. 0.6, 0.61. I'm just going to jump to 28.
Yeah, that's how I do.
Now just jump to 30. 0.63 on 30. 31.63. I'm just going to go with a 34. 0.664. 37.65. I still have got a ways to go. I'm going to have to go 40. Let's see.
And then show us high for comparison.
Oh yeah, it's like 10.
Yeah,
amp
still
difference.
a noticeable difference.
10 amp or
Okay.
0.1 amp difference there. So that's quite a jump.
Question for Andy. I know that you are not an industrial fan guy. That's not your thing. Do you have a favorite type of industrial fan or favorite industrial fan model? Are there some that do speak to you? Go ahead and let us know.
Let's see. Not particularly. I did like that little turquoise one at the museum.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Were you here for the video of that?
I don't think so.
That's too bad. That was cool. That thing really flew, but part of the reason it really flew is because it was rated for 100 volts and we have it here on 120. Metal Pete, are four-bladed industrials your favorites, or are gold lines your favorites? I'm guessing it's one or the other.
More of the gold lines. I've seen a lot of those, but I actually really like these. I actually have.
Yeah, I just know you. I remember you telling me your favorite fan in the museum is the Jab.
Yeah. Well, one of the reasons why I like that or this is because of that one former pool shop.
Yes.
That's like on 76th Street near between Good Hope and Mill Road.
Don't tell everybody where it is. They'll go and get the fans. Those are our fans. Only us get them. Go ahead and do the rack the variable speed.
Okay. All right.
It does have a quick spin down. Oh, there you go. 0.18. Oh,
Yep.
stalled. Not very metal of it.
Okay.
0.21.
Yeah.
It's a little buzzy, but it's not
But you know, I tried my Emerson on a solid state, and it's amazingly quiet.
blender fan.
Yeah.
Sometime I'll show you how to varnish windings, and then it can be. Did you take the motor apart to paint it, or you left it together?
I left it all together.
Yeah. So if you ever take a motor apart to paint it, then I'll show you how to varnish windings.
Okay. The only reason I didn't take that one apart is screws are just so rusty. They're like rusted in. A lot of it was.
Well, I definitely would have taken it apart then and knocked some of the rust off those screws.
Right, but they were just impossible.
Yeah.
Okay, well, here up to 2 o'clock, I'm at 0.33. Okay.
I almost like the hum that it has. It's got like the kind of hum you'd expect to hear on a commercial fan on a variable speed control in a store.
Oh yeah.
Pretty quiet too, actually. It's got a little hum, but not much at
Yeah,
all.
once it gets up to speed, it's not too bad.
Yeah, and my
The-
Slimline didn't really hum too
The
much.
wind noise
either.
kind of drowns it out.
Yeah, that was a nice gift. Did you pay him for it, or did he give it to you?
He gave it to me.
That was
He
very nice of him.
Told me not to worry about that.
He's a nice guy, a very nice guy. But that's cool. Those are cool to me. Those
Yeah. I may want to have you check the bearings on that. It just seems like they might have a little bit of a rubbing noise and a little bit of a bumpiness sound in it.
We'll check that out. It could also be that switch housing, you know.
Oh, I already tightened that down quite a bit.
Is it? Yeah, but the thing about those is there's a rubber grommet
Yeah.
that goes between the switch housing and what the switch housing screws to, and that rubber grommet wears out with age.
Oh yeah.
And so what happens is that when you tighten it down, the rubber grommet wears some more, and now it's loose again. Tighten it down, and so my guess is that rubber grommet could still be in there and rubbing.
Sure.
So you just want to make sure you remove it fully and then thread lock it.
Yeah.
So go ahead and don't let me interrupt you.
Okay, let's go straight up. And that's at 0.56. Alright. Now let's go up to 11 o'clock. 0.64. So we're really close. Might as well bring it to high.
Might as well.
And it's at 0.72, so that's like
That thing
very
really
like
flies.
couple hundredths
Wow.
of amp
Yep.
away from
Okay.
straight power, so.
Well, I think we're about good on this one. I'm gonna.
Yeah, solid state works really good on this.
It does. So we already did the 0 to high. I'm just
Yes.
gonna get a nice close up of it for the final spin down. And
Yeah, spin down is quick. It's almost like a box fan.
Yeah.
you
Well, it
know,
was a small fan.
there was a box fan in my elementary school. I don't remember the brand. It's not one I've seen since. But it was a
Okay.
3 metal bladed one,
Mm.
and as a kid, my idea for designing a line of ceiling fans was taking the motor and blade out of that box fan and putting a lower canopy on it and an upper canopy, and then selling those as a fan for like apartments that was smaller. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, but that's almost what that reminded me of when you said that. Because this is almost like a that type of fan without a box. Okay, well, we've seen this one. We got some more metalness coming later tonight. So thanks for watching.